So in this video, we're going to install Ubuntu 25, that is the desktop version on VirtualBox. So first we can go to this site and you can download the Ubuntu latest version. That is, you can see the latest version was 24.04, but the latest version is available 25, and you can download. It's the download size is around like 6 GB. The first option, this one, and you can get all these features, like you can get kernel feature and the system requirement. You can see at least dual core processor is required and 4 gig memory is required, and 30 almost 25 to 30 GB disk is required. Okay, so once you completed this download, simply click on this download, so it will download your local. So I already download this one to save the time. So you can see the image size, I mean the ISO size is around like 6 GB. So we can go ahead for the installation. So let me create one virtual machine on the VirtualBox. So I can put like Ubuntu 25, and this is the desktop one, and the folder, any folder you can select. Okay, so in my case I'm going to select uh, D drive VirtualBox, select, and after that you can select this version Ubuntu 20, I mean 64-bit, and the hardware section you can put like 4 GB of memory is fine, and I have like 12 CPU are there, so I can go with 3 CPU. And the hard disks, I think 25 GB hard disks fine, or 30 GB you can take. Do not select this pre-allocate, so that it will consume all the 30 GB, so it will basically dynamically allocate this hard disks. Okay, so do not check this one, then click on finish. Then we can go with network. So one network, first network you can assign like net network, which is basically used for the internet connection, which is shared from your host machine or level. And adapter 2 you can use for the host only adapters. Okay, so I will not cover this part, only the default I will take, like default installation. Okay, I will cover, I will configure the SSS on another video. So once this one is completed, then you can start this one. It will ask for to mount that ISO file. If you start this one, yeah, it asks for the to mount that ISO. You can choose here others and select your file, like you want to this one, open and mount and retry. The first option you can try and install Ubuntu. The first option, it will automatically select. Otherwise, you can select that one. Yeah, it started installing. It will ask for some of the like language you want to select. It will. We can wait for that one. So it is coming like this. Now we can select language next, and we can put the default, like select the keyboard layout next. Or do not connect to internet or use the wire connection, so I can go with first it will try for this Wi-Fi, no Wi-Fi detected. So if you have Wi-Fi you can connect, otherwise use will prompt you installation compatibility. Okay, do not connect, I will later connect. Then install Ubuntu. Then in interactive, select interactive. Yeah, default selection. I no need to add any third party software for the hardware, I mean Wi-Fi hardware, so I can click next. Yeah, it is the disk. No encryption is required. Next. Yeah, here you can put the username, like I put user one. Yeah, it is U25 desktop something, and the password you can put here. One weak password, confirm the password. Request my password to log in. Yes. Then you can select the time zone here. Now we can go ahead to install. Yeah, so it will take like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, so till that time I'll pause this video, so you can see it is like copying those files from that ISO and start the installation. So now the installation I think ready to use. We can restart now. It asks for to restart to complete the installation and continue the testing. You can restart right now. Yeah, so it is restarted. So now it asks to please remove the installation media and then press enter. So let me go to VirtualBox and remove that media in the storage section. I think it's already removed. Now you can see it is already removed. If it is not removed, then you can simply remove the disk from virtual drive. Okay. So then you can click OK. Then there we need to press enter. Press enter. It will boot from your installed disk. So after a couple of minutes, this login prompt will come. This UI is coming, and you can click on here, and whatever password you entered during installation, the same password you can use here. It will take you to the desktop screen. Yeah, now this welcome page is coming, and you can click on next. Yes, the system. No, if you want, you can finish, and you can go to the command prompt here. Open terminal, and you can check your interface. Since we already allocated two interface, the first one that is the S3 and the second one is the S8. Okay, so this should be like get the IP address from your DSCP, but I will configure this one later. Okay, so I will configure. Let me try with this. I think it will automatically get the IP address and connect it to the internet, because we select the first interface as the NAT network. So let me try to ping. Yeah, so it is working. So we can go with like a package update. Okay, apt update. Not open. I think internally it started updating, so that's why it is showing it is already logged. Okay, so it will take couple of minutes. Okay, so I will show you like I will configure the second interface so that we can remotely connect to this machine using putty. Okay, so let me try with that one. Mi etc net plan one configuration YAML file is there. Yeah, so we need to add one entry there. Okay, so I will cover that part in the next video. So this video basically for this Ubuntu installation, I will cover that static IP address assignment on the next video. Okay, thank you.